If you're having trouble with your Beko dishwasher and suspect it needs a good cleaning, I'm here to help you with a straightforward guide on how to clean dishwasher Beko. Over time, dishwashers collect food particles, grease, and mineral deposits that can affect cleaning performance and even lead to unpleasant odors. Cleaning your Beko dishwasher regularly will keep it running smoothly and ensure your dishes come out sparkling clean. First, let's start with the filter. Beko dishwashers, like many others, have a filter at the bottom of the machine that catches food debris. To begin, remove the bottom rack to access the filter. Twist and lift it out carefully. Rinse it under warm water, scrubbing gently with a soft brush to remove any trapped food particles. Make sure to clean it thoroughly, as a clogged filter can reduce water flow and cause poor cleaning results. Once you're done, place it back securely in its position. Next, let's tackle the spray arms, which are crucial to your dishwasher's performance. To keep your Beko dishwasher running efficiently, you'll want to inspect and clean the spray arms periodically. Remove the lower and upper spray arms by gently lifting and unclipping them. Rinse them under warm water, using a toothpick or fine brush to clear any clogs in the spray holes. This will help ensure water can flow freely and reach all parts of your dishwasher. When learning how to clean dishwasher Beko, it's essential to address any buildup of limescale, especially if you live in an area with hard water. Run an empty cycle with a dishwasher safe, cleaner, or a cup of white vinegar placed in the top rack. Set the machine to a hot water cycle, which will help dissolve any mineral deposits and remove grease from the interior. This step not only freshens the dishwasher, but also extends its life by preventing scale buildup on internal parts. Another tip on how to clean dishwasher Beko effectively is to wipe down the door seal. The rubber gasket around the door can collect grime over time, which can lead to mold or mildew growth if left unchecked. Dampen a cloth with warm, soapy water and wipe along the gasket, paying attention to any folds where dirt may be hiding. This simple step can go a long way in keeping your dishwasher smelling fresh. Finally, take a look at the cutlery basket and racks. If you see any leftover food bits or buildup, give them a quick rinse and wipe them down with a damp cloth. Check for any signs of wear or damage, as these parts are used frequently and can show signs of wear over time. By following these steps on how to clean dishwasher Beko, you'll keep your machine in top shape and help prevent future issues. Regular cleaning will ensure your Beko dishwasher runs efficiently, lasts longer, and keeps your dishes spotless. Remember to repeat this cleaning process every few months to maintain your dishwasher's performance.